Why waste your fabric scraps when you can create a bonus project instead? When making the flying geese for this project, normally we would sew our diagonal line and trim that corner off, and those triangles would become useless scraps. Instead, we're going to sew a couple extra lines and create some matching coasters. A 1/2 inch away from the first line you sewed for the flying geese, we're going to sew another line. Then we'll cut between those two lines, leaving both pieces with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now you have all these bonus half square triangles to create something with. I ended up with 16 extra 3-inch half square triangles while sewing this table runner. I sewed them together in squares and then basted them onto some batting. Then I quilted each of them without any backing and trimmed all the extra batting off. At this point, you could sew 2 of your squares together to create a coaster, or use some of your extra fabric scraps from the table runner and make matching size squares to use as your backing. I placed these squares right sides together and sewed a 1/4 inch around the edge, leaving a little opening for turning right side out. Now just clip off those corner seam allowances and turn it right side out. Now just top stitch all the way around 1/8 of an inch away from the edge to close up that hole and finish up these coasters. With just a little extra work, you have a matching table set, all while using the scraps from the table runner.